Hello, good afternoon students. This is CGP Maths 11 plus and this is question number 89 on paper 10 page 7. If you have the book available near to you, then you can open the book and you can also pick your copy and pencil from your bag and you can note down the lecture while the video is running, and you can also note down the lecture at the end of this video. First of all, read the question carefully. A farmer collected 864 plums from her orchard, but she found that there were 11 more good plums than rotten plums. How many rotten plums were there? So we should put focus on the middle line first of all. She found that there were 11 times more good plums than rotten plums. So first trick in these types of question is to put focus on the middle line and then put focus on the last 2 or 3 words of the middle line. You should start your question from those 2 or 3 words. Like here it is written rotten plums at the end of the underlined line. You can see rotten plums here. The word written after then, I shall write let rotten plums is equal to X, then good plums we shall read the line again. 11 times more good. I shall remove this line and we shall focus on this line only. 11 times more good plums than rotten plums. Times, here it's written times. When word time is written, we shall do multiplication, not the addition as we did in the previous question. So 11 times as that of rotten plums. Good plums were more than rotten plums, and how many times more than 11 times as much as the rotten plums. Now we shall read the first line. A farmer collected 864 plums from her orchard. So total plums, we can use this formula. This is mentally created formula to solve this question. Total plum is equal to good plums plus rotten plums. We can also write this side here and this side there. So total plums are given in the first line of the question. A farmer collected 864 plums. 864. Good plums we have supposed as 11x, and rotten plums we have supposed simply x. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12x. 11x and 1x is equal to 12x. 864 will remain on its place. Okay. X will remain here and 12 will be moved to other side, and when it will be moved to other side it will be divided by 864, and we shall do working here. Working 864, this one 864 will be divided by 12. Top inside, bottom outside. 12 7 times 84. You should be expert in the tables. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and 4 will be brought down. 12 2 times 24. So 72 is equal to x. Now read the last line of the question. How many rotten plums were there? In the start of the question here, I had supposed that rotten plums is equal to x. Now I have found x is equal to 72. Isn't it the answer of the rotten plums? And we have fulfilled the demand of the question. You can stop the video here and you can see the whole question and solution, and you can write it down. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be keep updated with my upcoming videos, and also like and comment on my video if you have really understand and liked my video. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.